Morning students, class 8, and today we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 2.2. Question number 1 and question number 2 we had already done. In question number 3 what we have to do, 5 parts are there, we have to simplify them and write the answer in the exponential form, okay? And in simplification of this question we have to use the laws of exponent. Yesterday I had explained you about the laws of exponents, okay? So see first question. Yesterday I had told now that these powers will get multiplied within themselves. It will become 2, 8 into minus 4. It will become 2 raised to the power minus 2. Okay. One more thing, if we will look the answer sheet, then these things are left with a negative sign. Okay, negative power. But in my opinion, you have to keep the power positive before giving the final answer. Okay. But in this case no problem at all, it is now in the form of exponent. Okay, see here, bases are same but powers are different. It means all the powers will get add up. 4 minus 6 plus 8 minus 1. Answer will be minus 6 plus 8 2, 2 minus 1 1. Okay, see this, in this case also bases are same but powers are different. It means we will solve it in the same way as we had done part B. 4 minus 1 minus 3. 1 upon root 3. 4 minus 1 3 and 3 minus 3, we will get the answer 0. Okay. Now come on part D. In part D, if you will see, it is written in the here division is the mathematical operation used. So first of all write it in a proper way. 2 raised to the power 18 upon 2 raised to the power 16. Okay. Now just think, bases can be same. So transpose, or we can use the better word, send 2 raised to the power 16 from denominator to numerator. It is already there, and when this will go in numerator, then the sign of its power will get changed. It is positive, it will become negative. Okay, now bases are same, so we can add the powers. 18 minus 16, answer will come 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, no need of solving further because we have to give the answer in the exponential form. Okay, I had done 4 parts, 1 part you will do. Okay, note it. Okay students, now come on question number 4. In question number 4 what we have to do, we have to simplify the following by using the laws of exponents. Okay, so we will just solve them by helping the laws. See, bases are same, it means power will get add up. 5 plus 3 plus 7. X raised to the power 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 7 15. This is our needed answer. Okay, see this more part. If you will see, bases can be same. Okay, so transpose 100 raised to the power minus 7 to denominator. 1 upon 100, its power is negative, it will become positive, into 100 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, now see in denominator bases are same, so we can add up the power according to their sign. 100, 7 minus 6. Answer will be left 1 upon 100. Okay. Now come on part third. In part third, before doing the simplification, what you have to do? Okay, we can do one thing. 3 raised to the power 5 will be solved with 3 raised to the power minus 6. This will get solved with this, and b raised to the power minus 4 will get solved with b raised to the power minus 3. So send all the things from denominator to numerator. Okay, just send them. It is already here, and this will get come here. Its power will become positive. Okay, into a raised to the power minus 6 already here. This will go, its power will also become positive, into this is already here, and when this will go, its power will become positive. Now see, this case and this case. Okay, bases are getting same, so power will get add up. 3 raised to the power minus 5 plus 6 into a raised to the power minus 6 plus 5 into b raised to the power minus 4 plus 3. So what will left? Plus minus minus, it will left 3 raised to the power 1 into. Here also plus minus minus, it will be left minus 1. A raised to the power minus 1 into, here also minus 4 plus 3, it will become b raised to the power minus 1. For giving the answer in a proper way, make the powers positive, and this can be done by sending these two things to denominator, okay? So we will get the answer 3 upon AB. Is it clear? Now complete question number 3 and question number 4 in your fair copies in a very proper way. Thank you very much.